Hey guys, so in this video I'm going to show you guys how to get Pornhub Premium for free. So all you gotta do is go ahead and go to ogsnags.com, and on this site you're going to see a bunch of stuff, but obviously we want Pornhub Premium. So if you guys cannot find it, just go to the search bar and type in porn, and as you can see, there it is. Let's just wait for it to load. I don't know why it's taking so long, but I can always just show it to you guys this way. The site can get slow when there's lots of people using it, but anyway guys, once it loads up, you're just gonna go ahead and press like show coupon code, and it will generate you your code to get free Pornhub Premium, guys. So let's just wait for this to load. So I'm just gonna go ahead and press show coupon code, and it's gonna generate it. So let's just give it a second here. As you can see, all right, so basically guys, we just want to go ahead and press get full code, and it's going to redirect this over to this page right here, and it's going to ask you like about shopping. So what we need to do is pick one of these. It doesn't matter which one you pick. So I'm just going to do super fast shipping, and then it's going to ask us for our email address. So make sure you guys enter an email that you have access to, because they're going to send it to your email. So then we're just going to press activating your reward. All right. So now it's going to make us do the registration. This is very important, guys. We have to register, so let me just go ahead and do this. You guys can see. All right, so I'm just gonna go ahead and do this right here so you can see. All right, let me just type this in. Okay, so anyway, we should be good to go. All right, and then we're just gonna fill this in, as you can see, and then we have to wait for this to load, as you can see, and then we have to do a survey, guys. So it's pretty easy. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just answering all the questions. So let me just go ahead and do this. Okay, so it's pretty simple. Now guys, you don't have to be a legend or anything. You just want to make sure you answer all the questions, and it won't be very hard, trust me. So let me just go ahead and do this right here so you guys can see. All right, so I'm just playing around with it, finishing up the survey right here. So let's just go ahead and answer all these questions. Pretty cool. All right, so anyway guys, once you answer all the questions, you will see something that's like I agree and continue, and we're just going to go ahead and press that. So let's just wait for this to load. All right, so I reached the end, so I'm going to press I agree and continue, and then it's going to load us to the new page, and we just have to wait for this to load, and then we're just going to have to wait and just press no thanks. So yes, super cool, guys. So as you can see right here, it's going to say survey done, offers completed, and then deals. So this is the final thing we may have to do, guys, the deals. So you can see it says complete deals to claim your reward. So these are the deals. They're like apps you have to download or something. I don't really know. Like, you can do whichever one you want. They have a bunch of them here. They're all different. So they have like the Monopoly Go one, you have to reach a certain level. Then they got the SoFi credit score. I mean, some of these are weird, but just if you see a page like this, just complete one of the deals and you should get your promo code, guys.